Hey folks, and welcome to your Leon theme. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick introduction as to what you get inside of your Leon theme, some of the unique features that Flothemes brings with this theme, and a little bit more about the page builder so you get a good understanding as to how you can start building your site. Now, Leon comes with 3 different style kits: the regular style kit, the light style kit, and the video style kit. The functionality is the same between all of the style kits. The only difference here is, of course, the styling, the colors, the typography, and you can easily interchange between those in the Flothemes settings area. Now, let's log into the WordPress backend to get a quick overview of some of the features that are added whenever you install your theme. So initially, once you install your theme, you're going to be landing on this introduction area. And here you're going to obviously watch this intro video that you're watching right now. And this is something you'll notice throughout the different areas in the Flothemes settings area, which is over here. There are videos throughout, and we try to describe and explain the different areas in as best a way as possible. And of course, that will also be in the documentation, which we highly recommend to review as well whenever you're setting up your site, as they will go into much more detail for the different elements whenever you're building your site. If you want to navigate through any of the sections for the Flothemes area, you just simply choose one, for example, a header, and then you navigate through the different settings on the left-hand side here. You can choose the different settings for that, and once you're happy with all the updates, you hit update over here. Now, some of the notable settings in the Flothemes settings area would be for the header, so setting up the header for your site. That's the navigation menu and how it looks, adding your logo. You'll have different settings for your pages, the global layout for your posts and galleries, some generic settings here, including adding things like Google Analytics. You will also have the option to set up your footer at a global level again, so across the entire site, and of course the style area where you can choose your fonts, your colors, and if you want to quickly update, you can choose a style kit as well. As mentioned, we do include these how-to videos throughout, so if you're stuck in any area, have a look at the how-to video, and that will explain things further. Now, what else do you get with Flothemes? So as default, we're using WordPress, so you're still going to have your posts as normal, the media library for uploading all of your content. You're going to have pages. Now, we have our own page builder, I will show you in a moment. You'll also be able to add plugins as normal. So if you want to extend the functionality of your site, you can do that with plugins. You will also have then slideshows. So these slideshows that you see at the top of the pages, again, these can be used anywhere, not just at the top of your page. You can create slideshows and add them throughout, and you'll have galleries, and you'll have a number of different gallery view types as well. So you can see the different galleries here. Check out the demos to have a quick look as to the different gallery options available to you. But they are the best way to display your portfolio, and of course, the galleries have been styled specifically for your needs to allow you to, as mentioned, display your portfolio in the best possible manner. Now, with that being said, you'll be able to create your galleries and slideshows easily and start utilizing them through blocks. Now, we also have the page builder. So in Pages, it's going to be different than maybe you're used to with another theme. Here, you will have a page builder, and inside that page builder, basically, you're going to build your page a little bit like Lego. So I'm going to head into a page and show you how that works. And there's 2 ways it can be done, using either templates or building the blocks by yourself. Now, your page might look a little bit different depending on what WordPress version you're using. Those of you with WordPress 5.0 higher, this will look slightly different. It will still have the title, it will still have a text area, it just will be styled slightly differently. The layout area, here again we have, and this is the most important area, we will have the overview video of how to use the page builder, and it will cover all the details in more detail. We highly recommend watching this video. Then you'll have the templates area, and the templates area basically allows you to select a number of templates that you can see from the demo site. So this is a quick way to set up some of the pages. Now, not all of the templates will be available here, but the most popular should be present. If you want to apply any template to a page, just simply click the quick view. It will then give you a preview here on the right, and you can see all the blocks that are added. And then you can apply that template and just hit OK. And that's going to add all the blocks to the layout section. Now,
You can remove any block in this area as well if something doesn't fit, and it's very simple to do so. Just go ahead and hit the little bin icon. You can then start editing the blocks by hitting the pencil. You'll have an overview video, or an overview, image here. And then you can just go through the different settings. So A, B, and C, and just start updating and editing all the different options for the different blocks. And you'll just repeat that process throughout. Just go into each different block, edit it, just go through the different settings areas, update the text, update the fonts if you need to, add images, choose any colors, add links, and just follow that process for each block that you have on the site, and build out the pages. Now, if you didn't want, or you want to add some additional blocks, you can go ahead and do that by coming to the blocks area, hitting add block, and choose any block that you want to add to the page. The block will always be added above the footer placeholder, and again, just go in, edit that, and update it to allow it to work. Once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and hit publish. Now, what blocks do we have inside Leon? There are a number of blocks here. There's probably 40 plus. And you have things like the WordPress titles, content. You're going to have some category switchers for your blogs, different contact blocks, dividers, an FAQ block, some featured items. So maybe you'll want to display some of your favorite blog posts or images, featured links. So again, these can be link blocks where you add an image, description, and then a link. You'll have different, again, featured links here as well, for multiple links, featured slideshows if you want to display a number of items. It could be blog posts or galleries. Your footer, you'll have different image blocks with text options over those. You'll have image and links, so that will be images whenever you click on them, links somewhere. You'll have title blocks, a few of those, listing blocks, and these are used for actually building your blog pages and your galleries. You'll have the pagination, and that allows you to flick between the different blog pages or gallery pages if you have a lot of different posts for those. You'll have your pricing and your packages, some press options, different slideshows. You have 4 here with the Leon theme, a social block for your social icons, etc. Some different text blocks, testimonials block here if you have some testimonials from your clients, and a little developer block as well if you need to add certain code to your page. So you have a whole array of blocks in there, and it is like Lego. You just simply drag and drop, add the blocks, position them where you want, edit them, and then just build out your pages. Once you're happy with everything, you just hit publish as always. That's going to create a new page for you, and you'll just add it to the menu as normal with WordPress. Now, you'll find more details on that in our documentation, so go to docs.flothemes.com, look at the docs and tutorials to get a real insight as to how you can start creating your site. This is just a quick overview video, and hopefully we've covered enough details in here to get you excited about using your theme. So now it's your chance, and now it's your time to go ahead and start editing your site. Good luck to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we're excited to see what you start creating. Thanks, guys.